at Downeast Under Creations here in Milbridge, Maine. We're located along the Bold Coast, very close to the US-Canadian border. I hope you enjoy the video that I'm presenting today, and if you do, I'd appreciate it if you'd please subscribe. Like or dislike the video, please comment in the comment section and share it. I'd very much appreciate it. I'm here at the Thomas Smith House, built in 1850. It's going to be the new home of the Women's Health Resource Library. Sorry for all the extra noise around here. There's a lot of heavy traffic. Hope you can hear me. I'm going to show you a few shots of this old building. It's post and beam construction. Interesting history behind it. I'll give it to you in the voiceover. Let's get on with the show.
Captain Smith built this house for his wife, and she loved it so much that when he decided he wanted to go out west and take part in the gold rush, she demanded that the house go with him. So he disassembled it, loaded it on his ship, and they sailed to California. Built the house, but it was too late for the gold rush. It had ended. So she didn't want to leave the house, so they disassembled it, put it back on the ship, sailed back around the Horn, no Panama Canal back then, back to Milbridge and reassembled it again. I think they call that love.
Recently, this building was used as a commercial property, as a gift shop, and three, four different people ran it as a gift shop known as the Cinnamon Stick over several years. So it hasn't been a residence for quite some time, and it's going to continue with commercial use, being the home of the Women's Health Resource Library. Upstairs here is an apartment, a studio apartment that'll be rented out, and also some commercial office space. Going through here is a little bit of a kitchen. There's a lot of renovations taking place. Main meeting hall in here. This building, built back in 1850, all post and beam construction. This is all being torn out. 2 new bathrooms are being put in. This leads into, I guess you'd call it a garage, but I think back in the day this was a carriage house. And I'm going to show you as I come down here. I ripped out a lot of the insulation. I do a lot of volunteer work and getting ready for the contractors to come in to do renovation work. But you can see, well, you can see the original post and beam construction here, and it's pretty cool, pretty neat here. But there's major renovation work going on, so I'm still in the process of cleaning this up. I did a lot of demo in here, and I got everything bare ready for the renovation work. Interesting history of this house, and let's see, this porch is going to become office space. This wall will be knocked out and that'll be closed in. There's all kinds of things going on. Local architect Tom Hitchens donated his services, no charge, completely redesigned and did all kinds of new drawings for the renovations. And this is a good location for the Women's Health Resource Library because it's right across the street from a new park that they opened, called the Milbridge Commons, which is right across the street over there, the entrance. And it has a walking track, and it has all kinds of nice features. It'll have more incredible edible gardens with vegetables and a children's playground. So it's a pretty good location, and it's a pretty neat building. So that's it for just a quick tour. Back outside where we have a lot of high wind today, blustery wind gust and lots of road noise here on Main Street. This is more traffic than usual. And it's right beside the Milbridge Museum and Historical Society. That's that building right there. And they share the parking lot, so there is parking when you come here to Milbridge and you want to visit. There's the entrance to the Milbridge Commons, right there, that drive. And that building across the street is owned by some friends of ours, and that was built in 1857. And they did a complete restoration of it. It's in a very nice shape. You can see the waterfront there in the background.